Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just started the keto diet and you're feeling tired, sluggish, or dealing with what people call the keto flu, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down why this happens, how to overcome it, and how NuviaLab Keto may help support your weight loss journey while staying fully aligned with healthy habits and safe practices. So let's jump right into it. So what exactly is the keto flu? When you switch from a high-carb lifestyle to the keto diet, your body goes through an adjustment period. Your carbohydrates drop, your fats increase, and your system begins switching from using sugar for fuel to using fat instead. During this transition, many people feel symptoms like low energy, brain fog, mild headaches, irritability, and even some cravings. This is what people call the keto flu. The good news is, it's not a real flu. It's just your body adapting. It's temporary, and there are definitely ways to make it much easier. Let's talk about why you lose energy on keto. When you suddenly drop your carbs, your body needs time to learn how to burn fat efficiently. You're basically retraining your entire metabolism. This adaptation period can last anywhere from a couple of days to a couple of weeks. This is where supporting your body with the right nutrients can make a huge difference. Things like staying hydrated, getting enough electrolytes, eating healthy fats, and using proper supplementation can help smooth out the process and help you feel way more comfortable as your body shifts into ketosis. Now, many people on keto look for something to help them stay energized and support their fat-burning process. That's where NuviaLab Keto comes in. NuviaLab Keto is a multi-ingredient food supplement created specifically for people following a high-fat ketogenic diet. It's designed to support several things: weight control while on keto, your fat metabolism, energy levels, digestion, and even blood sugar stability. It's also meant to offer general support during that tough keto flu transition. I want to be clear, this isn't a magic pill or a replacement for real food. It's simply made to support your keto lifestyle, especially in those early weeks when your body is adjusting. If you'd like to check out NuviaLab Keto for yourself, you can visit the link in the description to see more details and read some reviews. Now let's continue. So how exactly does NuviaLab Keto support you during this adaptation phase? First, it supports fat metabolism. The ingredients are chosen to help your body use stored fat more efficiently, which is perfect for keto, where fat becomes your main energy source. Second, it supports weight control. By aiding digestion, metabolism, and energy levels, it may help keep your weight loss efforts right. Third, it helps with low energy. Many users report feeling more energetic during the day, especially through that initial transition period when you often feel drained. Another big one is digestion. A big challenge on keto can be digestive discomfort when you suddenly switch to high-fat foods. This supplement includes ingredients that help your digestion feel smoother. And finally, it helps during the keto flu. Since all those flu-like symptoms come from the body adjusting, having supportive nutrients can help make this stage much easier so you can stay consistent with your new lifestyle. To make your keto transition even easier, it's best to combine your supplement support with smart daily habits. First, stay hydrated. When you cut carbs, your body flushes water faster, so you need to drink more. Second, add electrolytes like sodium, magnesium, and potassium to help balance your energy levels. Third, eat enough healthy fats. Think avocado, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and olive oil. Also, do your best to avoid sugar. It just prolongs the transition and keeps your body wanting to burn glucose instead of fat. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. It takes time for your metabolism to completely switch its fuel source. These habits, combined with supportive supplements like NuviaLab Keto, can help you feel better and progress faster on your journey. Once you're past the keto flu stage, your body begins to adapt more smoothly. You might notice your hunger decreases, your energy increases, and your body starts burning fat much more effectively. To really maximize your results from here, try a few things. You can track your carbs to stay on target. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. Keep your protein intake moderate, not too high or too low. And stay consistent with your daily routine. Supporting your body with tools like NuviaLab Keto can also help you maintain that momentum. Remember, keto isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. If you want some extra support on your keto journey, or if you're struggling with low energy in these first few weeks, check out NuviaLab Keto using the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more keto and wellness content, and drop a comment if you'd like more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one, and good luck on your keto journey.